What's going on, guys? My name is CJ. I'm a YouTube creator. I was recently invited to join the YouTube Hi-Fi Partner Program. What's that all about? I'm going to explain it to you right now. Pay attention. Here we go. So I got this email July 25th. It says, high five to our partner CJsINFO. And this is a legitimate email from YouTube creators. No reply at youtube.com. That's an indicator. It's official email. Okay, it says, over the next few weeks, we're going to celebrating the great work you're doing as a YouTube partner, because YouTube is nothing without you. It's been so many days since you first joined the YouTube Partner Program. So yes, you need to be in the YouTube Partner Program, but this is called High Five Partner Program. Basically, it's YouTube providing perks to YouTube creators who are monetized, rewarding them for thanking them as a creator on the YouTube platform. Treat yourself to some perks. In the coming weeks, we're going to be sending you some exclusive gifts, discounts. Keep an eye on your inbox so you don't miss out. To get the good stuff, sign up at the Rewards Hub with your unique code. And here it is, the code. I have it removed so you don't see it. This is where you'll go to get your goodies throughout the program. So this is a legitimate program. And here's the rest of the email. Grab a snack. Enjoy a free small pizza from Domino's on us. You deserve it. You claim your treat here. Get your swag. Snag your limited edition YouTube neon light while supplies last. And you shop on the merch. Okay, and then it says, we'd love to see you enjoying the partner perks. Tag your shorts at YouTube creators and also hashtag YouTube High Five so we can check them out. Speak to you soon, your friends at YouTube. P.S. Just so you know, we're only sending these High Five emails to a small group of creators, and you're one of the partners in the club. So not everybody's going to get this at the moment, but if you're monetized, you will probably get this. Now, where's the website? What is this all about? So let's go ahead and check this out. Here is the actual website. Okay, it's ran by the Program Administrator TLC Worldwide on behalf of Google. Welcome to the club, partner. We sent you an email invitation for YouTube High Five, where we reward and recognize partners like you. In the email, you will find the unique 6-digit code, create your account, and unlock all the partner perks we have in store for you. Alright, so you need to create an account, and then after that, you'll get to your rewards, the best part about it, right? So here's all the rewards. They have treats, they have offers. So under all, I just have it selected under all. I have either AMC or Regal movie, one free movie ticket for me. And then I also have Adobe Creator Tools, which is pretty cool. You can claim this, one free month of Adobe Creative Cloud, all apps paid. That's awesome. And then whatever you're doing, you can do it better with Masterclass. You can sign up with 1 month access to super cool bite-sized learning platform to brush up on your skills or learn something new. They're also putting out a GoPro offer for someone to win a GoPro Hero 13 and Hero 13 Creator Edition. That's pretty awesome. So that's coming soon. They've also have a YouTube neon light. As I scroll down here, here's the YouTube creator who actually received the YouTube neon light. I actually hope I can get this myself. But he put it in front of Darth Vader and the Stormtroopers. I thought that was really cool. YouTube High Five. He hashtagged it. Shorts, we loved it. We love to see you enjoying our partner perks. Tag your shorts. This is what they're talking about, using the perks in a video, and then they'll share it out on this page or on the YouTube creators channel. But this guy right here received this, and I thought that was really cool that he did that. So that's one of the items that is not available right now. So if I click on my account, you'll see here on the right side, it says YouTube channel, your link, what type of rewards you'd like to see. You can say, hey, I want to do stuff with my family, or I want to do stuff with travel. And then you hit save. It also says, I give permission for my content to be used for High Five related promotional purposes. Now, the purpose of this whole program is not so that YouTube can use your content. That's not what this is about. They're thanking you for being a creator on YouTube. It's just one way to thank you aside from paying you through advertisements and super chats and all that. So if you don't want your content to be used, you can simply uncheck that and hit save. This is not what the program is about. It's not to use your your YouTube content, your regular content. It's about if you made videos pertaining to high five perks and you tag it, they'll use it if you give them permission to. So here's the FAQs. What is YouTube High Five? It's a 3-month program recognizing and rewarding YouTube partners like you for their great work on YouTube. Throughout the program, different treats, offers, and discounts will be available to claim. There's also a prize draw to enter, as I mentioned. Who can join? Selected YouTube partners will be invited YouTube to participate in the program. To have a YouTube High Five account, you must be at least 18 years old, reside in USA. Now, it says USA. I have actually seen YouTube creators in the United Kingdom, the UK, who have got the neon light, and so this is not just a USA program, but the high five is also for other countries as well. This site, or this in particular, is pertaining to me because I am in the USA. How are creators selected? YouTube has selected a small group of partners at random to participate in this pilot program. We hope you enjoy being part of the club. How do you claim a partner perk? You will be sent an email from YouTube each time a new partner perk is available to claim. You should then create or log into your YouTube High Five account. You'll be able to browse and choose your partner perk you'd like to claim. You can claim any perk that's available, but you can't claim it more than once. You can't exchange or swap out, perks. Your perks are pretty much instantaneous. It depends, like if it's a physical item, it'll take longer because it's going to be shipped. And this is ran by the TLC Worldwide company, so it is YouTube, but their partner it's powered by the TLC Worldwide. Okay, and then winners, there's, normal drawings. You'll be notified if you win something, stuff like that. So that's all the FAQs. Now I'm going to go ahead and actually redeem right now a movie ticket, either for AMC or Regal right now, just to show you this is legit. I have until September 27th to claim this. And now it's saying redeem it and join the cinematic experience and choose to watch either action, comedy, thriller, or if you're brave enough, horror. There's plenty of great blockbuster movies available. So I have to claim this. This is only for me. The drop down box, I'm going to select AMC because that's what we have around here. To redeem in person, print e-ticket, present at guest services. To redeem online or via the app, enter the 16-digit ticket number and 12-digit PIN located under the 2 barcode present on your ticket during checkout. Okay, so all I have to do is download this e-ticket. Downloading it right now. And there you go. Here's my free movie ticket that I can use for myself at AMC. No cash value, not for resale. I hid the barcode number so nobody else can use it, but this is my legitimate AMC movie theater ticket. So I just want to explain to you guys, this is a legitimate program. It's not a scam. Sign up for it when you see it. Just remember, no reply at youtube.com is the official email. Like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!